Hello, grade 7. Welcome to our first video. This is a trial homework video because you like to call it homework, but I'd like to call it a learning video. Okay, so let's first talk about composite figures. When you say composite figure, it means that a figure or a shape is formed from two or more figures or two or more shapes. Okay, and then as a hint, and so this is our summary on how you can solve problems. You can either add them when you have a composite figure, or you can subtract the areas. So the first hint or first tip is that some cases you find the areas of each composite figure or of each figure, then add them up. Okay, and then the second one is that you find the area of the shaded region. So uh, this is highlighted, shaded region. Then you need to subtract the areas. So subtract, that means that you're going to minus. Those who are watching this, and if by chance you're watching this at daytime in the classroom, what I would like you to do is also write down notes. Okay, so let's have an example. So here, let's take a look at this figure. You can see and you can tell this is a composite figure. You have a square and then you have a triangle. In fact, you have two triangles because this shape is composed of two figures which are square and a triangle. Then this is a composite figure. So of let's solve the problem and find the area. Okay. First, let's do the triangle. Okay, to get the triangle, the formula is 1/2 times base times height. And if we put this triangle in an upright position, its base is this over here. Okay, so this is 7 yards. Okay, so then you know the height of the triangle if it's upright because you can see here this measurement. So the height of your triangle is 4 yards. So let's substitute our formula here. So the area is equal to 1/2, or you can change, if you like decimal, you can change half into 0.5, and then the base is 7 and the height is 4. So let's do the math and let's compute it. We can do 7 times 4, which is 28, times half, or I would like to do it divided by 2. So 7 times 4 is 28 divided by 2, and then so you'll have 14 square yards. So remember, because you are computing for the area, so that you will have that small 2 on top of your unit on the right side. Okay, so this is 14 square yards. Okay, now we are done with the triangle. So let's move on to compute area of square. Now, you know square, the properties of square is that all sides are equal. So if this side is 7 yards, that means this side is also 7 yards. And to get the area of the square, you have length times width. So it's 7 times 7, and you have 49 square yards. Now, you do have two triangles, okay? Remember, so this one is 14 square yards. So to get the total area, just like in the first hint, we need to add them all up, okay? So adding it all up, you have 2 times 14. Where did I get 2? It's because I have two triangles, and each triangle has the area of 14 square yards, and that's why there's 14 there. Plus 49, that's the square. So 2 times 14 is 28 plus 49. So the final answer is 77 square yards. This is it. And this is your example. Okay. And now on your own, try to use and solve these two composite figures. Okay. Good luck and learn them. And we'll check them in class. If you're at home, we'll check them in class. If you're already in the classroom, then we'll check it in the classroom. Okay, have fun.